If you need to reset your Microsoft Teams password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process efficiently. Step 1. Go to the Sign In page. Visit the Microsoft Teams Sign In page. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser or by opening the Teams app. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the Sign In page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Fill in your email and click Next to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. Choose a method to verify your identity, such as receiving a code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to receive the verification code. Step 5. Set a new password. Once you have verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it, then click Finish to complete the reset process. Now you can log into Microsoft Teams with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your IT support for assistance.